No health history, office type job for a 10 million life insurance coverage. And this is what we call Guardian 65 na covered po tayo till the age of 65. So magkano nga ba for a 10 million life insurance coverage ang premium na babayaran? For a year, ito lamang po ang kailangan natin bayaran, 51,750. So this is the most affordable, pinakamura na life insurance, term insurance for 10 million. So napakamura po na ito. If you're interested to learn more about this product or also to get a sample quotation for you, please comment below. Just put in 10M or send me a message on my inbox and I'll be happy to meet you via Zoom and get you started. Now, please prepare lang a valid ID and also your credit card or your debit card so we can process it via online right away. Thank you so much.